So this is the first booklet of General Studies and Indian Economy. So as I told you, it is all updated for this season. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel IS Guruji. Hope you all are doing well. So since I was preparing for my second attempt at the UPSC, so I ordered some notes from Vajiram and Ravi. There are almost 27 number of booklets. So today I'm gonna unbox them for you. So let's have a look. So this is our parcel that I received. So I'm gonna unbox it now. So there are 27 booklets in this. So we got some cards from the. So I ordered this from Rai Book Shop, as you can see here, because they were offering me some very great discounts on the booklets. So I ordered this, and I ordered Vajiram and Ravi because they are the best booklets one that can anyone can have who is preparing for the season of 24 and 25 year. So firstly we received a complete syllabus of UPSC syllabus from GSS core. So all inclusive pre-comes means it's all updated of to IS 2024 and 25 season. So this is the first booklet of General Studies and Indian Economy. So as I told you, it is all updated for this season. And the second booklet we have is the Indian Geography, updated. Third is Concept of Geography. Fourth is Science and Technology. So our next booklet is General Science Biology, Volume 3. General Science Physics, Volume 4. General Science Chemistry, Volume 5. Environment Ecology, Social Justice, Social Issues, Ethics Part 1, GS means Paper 4, Case Studies Ethics, Manikant's Handout, Essay means 2024 Vijayan, Government Schemes, Ancient India, Medieval India, Modern Indian History, World History, Indian Art and Culture, Indian Polity, Indian Polity Part 2, Government Issues, Post-Independence Issues, International Relations, and Internal Security. Apart from this, I received some gifts from the Rai Book Shop, like in market, which is I'm gonna use in my studies. So thank you Rai Book Shop for delivering me these parcel as soon as possible in the great prices, and also for these gifts. So as you can see, there are 27 booklets. One which is syllabus, updated syllabus, and 26 booklet from Vajiram and Ravi. So there are also visions notes, but these are the best notes one can have in the market right now, which is of Vajiram and Ravi. So as I told you, I was also preparing for my second attempt, and anyone who wants updated study material for their preparation, they can go for it. As I told you, it is of current season 2024 and 25, so it will help you a lot. So I also want to thank Rai Book Shop for delivering me these books as soon as possible. So I got this parcel in 4 days. So anyone who wants to order your package can call on these number, or you can WhatsApp, or you can call on them, and you can book this. And also you will receive some great discount from Rai Book Shop, because from the past 1.5 year I'm ordering from Rai Book Shop. So I will suggest you all. So anyone who is from Delhi, so they can directly come to the Rai Book Shop, which is in Mukherjee Nagar. But since I am not from Delhi, I am from Uttarakhand, so I am ordering these books online. So as like just like that, if you are from the far from Delhi, like south side or not in Delhi, you can order these books very easily from the. You can contact these people on these numbers. They will deliver your parcel very safely. And thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope this gonna help you a lot in your preparation. Thank you so much for joining us.